Hey everyone! We're here to teach you the ins and outs of how to record a Zoom meeting. The good news, it's super easy. The first thing that you need to choose is where and how you want the recording saved to do this. Open the Zoom app on your computer, quick settings on the top right corner, and have the recording set. If you're using the free version of them, you only have the option to save the file locally to your computer. We recommend keeping these two settings checked, so let's launch a new one and get into it. Click on New Meeting. To start recording, click Record at the bottom right of the Zoom screen. You can have pause or stop at any time, and when you click on Leave, and then click on End Meeting for all, and then the recording will be converted and saved to wherever you chose to save it, if it's stored locally on your computer. Now, your recording have saved on your computer. I think this video will help you to record any part of your Zoom meeting. Please do subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching this video.